What's up, guys? So today, cool unboxing for you. But first, I want you guys to see the truck and how good it looks. It's not been this clean in a while. Check this out. I haven't washed the truck in probably a week since it's sitting in the rain. Just wipes off. It's crazy. Crazy. He put a ceramic or some sort of coating on here. It looks wicked. So if you guys are in the Detroit metro area and need something detailed, hit up Glean Detail and they will hook you up. Talk to Joseph and tell him Frank sent you. Now I have to say big thanks to Jason at Gen Y Hitch. Ah, on my toe. Oh my god. They're not steel toe. Oh my god. Wow, that really just broke my toe. Oh, that was funny. That actually wasn't planned. I just dropped on my toe. It's throbbing. Wow. Ooh. So what happens when you work 16-hour days? Can't think about nothing. Oh my god. I've been looking for hitches for this truck since I got the 6-inch on there. Actually, since I had the 4-inch. And there's been no luck. There's like 2 brands, Gen Y and there's Bulletproof Diesel. And nothing against Bulletproof Diesel, but the hitches don't look like they're anywhere the same quality as Gen Y. And I've heard tons and tons and tons of good things about Gen Y. So I emailed him and I said, can we work something out? And yeah, so he's sponsoring this video, which is awesome. So thank you, Jason at Gen Y. Can't wait to beat the crap out of this thing and put it to the test with the unconventional towing ways I do. I usually have a lot of water sitting in a trailer right here, so it's just squatting the truck like crazy, about 6,000 pounds of water. So it's literally all the weight's on the hitch. So let's get you an unboxing real quick and get this bad boy open. We have the Benchmade, I don't know what model this is, but the sharpest I've ever bought. My address in there. Oh boy, look at that puppy. Good packaging too. So they packaged the crap out of this thing for a hitch, and it's a solid steel. They really took some time packaging it. That's impressive. And look how tightly wrapped this is. It's like Christmas morning for me right now. I want to pop this thing off. I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. Get the hawks out of here. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm looking at it right here. Oh, this looks sick. I can't wait to open this. So let's see. Ooh, package there. What the hell is this thing, huh? Oh, look at that, boys. I'm excited. That thing looks sweet. Hold on. Okay, so I got it undone. FYI, this is the best packaging I think I've ever seen something I've ever bought in my entire life. Like, that is, I'm not even just saying that. That's like that. I've never seen something so tightly packaged in my life. It's a good thing, honestly, God. I don't even know what to say to you guys. Like, this thing is a hog. This is the most badass hitch I think I've ever seen in my entire life. This is crazy. For reference, here's my knife. Here's my hand next to the knife, right? Here's the knife against the hitch. Are you kidding me? Holy shit. Oh my god, look at this thing. Okay, so first things first. Looking at this thing, wow, it has a good coating on. I don't know what this coating would be called, but it looks like quality. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this on the truck. Hold on, guys. So something to note real quick. This is a class 5 hitch. This is a class 4 hitch, I think. I don't know. All I know is for a 2015 F350, you have to have this little spacer in here. I don't know if I can grab this with one hand. I can't remember how heavy this thing is. Rusted in there a little bit. There we go. Okay, so break my toe. It's just chucked on the grass. We don't need that junk anymore. So you can see I have this little spacer. This rusted little spacer. No more. Time for that bad boy to go in there. Hold on. So what do you think about it? What do you think about it? As being a construction guy for 30 years.
That's one heck of a hitch.
Really? You like it? Yeah. You like it? How do you think about the pintle idea? How you can pull it out and move it?
I wouldn't have it for the dummies. But
okay.
As for personal use, this is phenomenal.
Do you think it's a good hitch then?
It's heavy duty.
You actually approve of something for once I put it on my truck?
Yeah. Yeah. I would use it on my truck.
Yeah? That's the man right there. 30 years of experience in construction says, all right, wow, I'll take that. All right, man, so we gotta talk about this. Yep, if you guys can read that. Oh, let's get on there. It's a 12-inch drop hitch. It's basically, it's like the vice versa ball. I can flip it around for what I need to do depending on the trailer, you know. Okay, so yeah, this hitch I got is a 12-inch drop. So usually on 12-inch drop, drop hitches you can get to like 9,000 to 12,000 pounds maybe, and it's kind of sketchy. This bad boy is 21,000 pounds and is tested at that. That's nuts. Okay. Second of all, this thing, they have, Gen Y has hitches that are up to go, they can go up to 30,000 pounds, 31,000 pounds, something nuts. So dude, I am just so impressed with this right now. I had no idea it would be this nice. I had absolutely no clue. I mean, just look at that. That's a hitch, bro. But Gen Y, thank you for sponsoring this video. When I get the chance to tow with it, I'm gonna make a video just about towing with this hitch because I am so excited. Oh man, this thing's wicked. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the unboxing. I will get a towing video soon with this thing to test out, 1, the 6-inch BDS, and 2, the Gen Y 12-inch drop hitch. That thing is so badass. I'm so impressed. I keep saying it. Sorry for being so annoying. Like, it's not just because he sponsored the video. I mean, they sponsored. I still paid for this hitch. I still paid a good amount for a hitch. Okay, don't think I got anything for free. But I just had no clue it'd be this freaking nice. I want you guys to go check out their website if you guys are construction or towing or anything. Go check it out, man. This thing is just wicked. Ooh.